Hi children, I hope everyone is fine at your respective places. Today, I would like to teach you Unit 7, Part A, The Trial. The theme is Theatre. Unit 7, Part A, The Trial. Theme is Theatre. Now let us see about the dramatist. George Bernard Shaw was born on July 26, 1856 in Dublin, Ireland. In the early 90s, Shaw wrote several plays. These plays were about political themes and issues concerning poverty and women's rights. He wrote Man and Superman in the year 1902, John Bull's Other Island in the year 1904, and Major Barbara in the year 1905. In 1914, he wrote Saint John, which is considered to be one of his masterpieces. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925. Shaw wrote over 50 plays during his literary career. Right until the time of his death on November 2nd, 1950, Shaw remained committed to the socialist cause. Now let us see the summary in brief. George Bernard Shaw wrote the play Saint John in 1914. The trial is a scene from that masterpiece. Joan of Arc was born in 1412 in France. She heard voices of saints saying that God asked her to fight for her country. Obeying those voices, she fought against the English in 100 Years' War. The war happened between 1337 and 1453. So here Joan heard voices of her saints and she decided to contribute to her country. She was instrumental in remarkable victories for the French, but soon she was captured by the English and tried in the court. She was ready to do service to her own country, but the government did not allow her to do. During the trial, the chaplain, Cauchon, Brother Martin, Ladvenu, and the Inquisitor tried to save her out of their kindness. It shows nobody has given such a support. But Canon John de Estevit and Canon de Courcelles were very firm that Joan should be put to torture and then punished severely. So here John de Estevit and Canon Courcelles, they were very cruel towards giving punishment to Joan. During the trial, Joan was fearless, frank, and spoke openly about her past acts and the way she was chained and made to swear repeatedly. So during the trial, she was appeared as fearless, honesty, true, and straightforward open nature. But it was not accepted by the court. Her bold and open comments ended in the failure of those who tried to save her. So we can see John character is such a honesty and bold character. So ultimately she was burned at the stake as a witch in 1431 at the young age of 90. Later in 1909 she was beatified and in 1920 canonized as a saint. So here we can understand that John was burned as a witch in the year 1431. By the time she was burned, her age is 19 years old, but she was beatified and canonized as a saint. Thank you.